all the firework lovers, check this out. It's a jumbo cake board. The firework goes in the middle. Depending on size, it can actually hold multiple fireworks. The size will move and open up. You know what I mean? It's going to be motorized and things like that. Smart device. Control it with your voice. Smartphone app also ignites fireworks and holds them securely so you don't have to. Also, the product will have Bluetooth speakers and things like that to play music sync with fireworks. It can also attach to a stand to raise the height, or table is another surface of your choice. You understand? The idea is so that you don't have to bend down low anymore to ignite fireworks. Raising the height would also improve the performance and prevent low breaking and things like that. If you understand viral talk, you know what I mean by that. And yes, ladies and gentlemen, this here is patented technology. It's registered with the USPTO, and I'm the only provider here in America with this smart cake board. Also, with your help, we can bring this cake board to market. So I'm offering manufacturer coupons. Since I am the licensed manufacturer here in the United States, I can offer you all manufacturer coupons that would practically give you this product at an aggressive discounted rate, maybe even free on our best years. This is possible by you taking advantage of this. You'll be grandfathered into our company for a lifetime, receive all these discounts for a lifetime, transfer to your next generations, because fireworks will be here after we're not. All right. Also, you will receive a share of stock from this company revolving around this technology. Keep in mind, it's the only one here in America, the only one in the world that will secure and ignite fireworks with your voice or smartphone app. And please celebrate Black History with one of my manufacturer coupons. Thank you.